Mandela's got new shiny things to play with.
Got a grease gun.
What's going on here, mate?
Oh,
what the fuck is this?
I knew you were going to pick on that,
What
mate.
is the deal?
What? It's pink.
You got hot pants on under there?
No.
You have?
It's a hot pink cigarette.
You weird fucker.
Breast cancer, mate. What is the breast cancer?
That's your excuse.
Oh, yeah.
What are we doing here, Mandela?
Well, we've got a new cordless grease gun and we're just going to try it out. Yes, yes.
Oh, less physical labour.
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
awesome.
Less downtime greasing and
Yep.
all the fun things.
No, neither of us have strong hands.
We do now after greasing.
So we're over this grease gun. Oh, he's doing stuff. There's sounds being made. Not sure anything successful is happening. Mandela's got a problem now.
Oh, yeah.
This grease gun's fucked.
Yep, it's stuck.
Yep, it's on there.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. Well,
Needs priming still.
oh, God. We're waiting in bated breath here.
I don't know.
Just waiting, Mandela, for the magic.
Yeah, well, a normal grease gun would have bled by now, but...
This is like waiting for the Rolling Stones to come on stage 3 hours late.
Oh, I don't know. Stop filming.
Huh? It's not working.
What?
That's your diagnosis.
Yeah.
It's not working.
Yeah.
Well, cool.
The plunger may need to be turned around. I don't think so, but it feels like it's... You know, back to the manual.
Really?
The plunger might be the wrong way.
Oh.
I was excited then.
This is like something you get excited about and it doesn't happen.
Yeah. It's very disheartening.
Meanwhile, over there are 2 transfer pumps going, pumping out, what'd you say, 100,000 litres?
108,000 litres a minute. An hour.
How much? 8,000?
108,000.
108, I was going to say.
An hour.
108. You can't concentrate on 2 things at the one time, can you? Did you put that together?
No, it was already together.
Oh. Well, wouldn't that indicate it's on the right way?
No, because it'll take bulk cartridge or like takes all different cartridges.
Oh, damn. There's your pink singlet on and everything. Got 4 minutes 45 of nothing happening here.
I know.
Nothing. Here we go. Give it the vibe. It's got the vibe. Mandela has just said bingo. So
I haven't tested it yet.
He's claiming something.
It felt like it went in there further.
Okay, part 2. Part 2 sounding a lot like part 1. Ooh! Ooh!
Did you see that?
We have ejaculate.
Ooh!
The beast has come alive.
Done. Solved.
So, here we go. Take 2.
Take 2.
Mandela's got his shit together. This is what my life has been reduced to, looking for grease.
That's enough grease for it, I'd say.
But none came out.
Oh, you want it to come out, do you?
Well, I want evidence that it's working. That's all I'm asking for. Got grease. Okay, it is officially working somewhere down there. Oh, well done, Mandela.
Thank you.
That was a team effort.
Oh, wow.
I bought it, you put it together wrong. What? Oh, really?
Hear that?
Right, you get all of 45 seconds battery.
No, that means the grease in here is really hard to push out.
Oh, that's a good sound. That's a good sound.
Oh, wow, yeah, that's...
Yeah, baby.
Oh, we've got to get that off now.
Oh, okay, I'll be going over here.
Oh, God.
I've got a tractor to drive. Mandela, what have you done now? Where's your easy release?
No easy release, mate.
Really?
That's because the pressure's built up. It's
dear.
Pulled itself on there.
We've solved one problem and created another. So Mandela, how's this grease gun going for you at the moment? Brilliant. It's got some teething issues.
Brilliant.
Yep.
Soon I'm just not going to grease it and go dig.
Yep.
I'm going to get a spanner to do that.
No, we're bringing in the heavy equipment now. Damn you, grease gun. He's back. Oh, with these God.
Oh no, I need two now.
With his Leatherman. How did you ever survive without your
I
Leatherman?
don't know, but I need two.
Two Leathermans?
Yeah, well I need another set of pliers because it just
Oh,
turns out.
damn. This is obviously a design feature of this gun.
No.
Let go, you bastard.
It's fucking tight, isn't
Let
it?
go. Unhand it. Leatherman is not solving our problems today. Do you mean we haven't got a screwdriver to fit that?
A spanner.
A spanner.
Yeah, I'm going to have to get the big shifter, the monster big shifter.
Alright, this is about take 27.
Yeah, you're going to have to hold one of those.
Oh, damn. Physical labour's involved. Oh, Mandela.
Have you seen the size of the fucking nut that we're going to undo with this thing?
You don't mess around, do you? Wow. This is how not to do this.
Correct.
Just making it harder for ourselves.
Turn the grease, twist the grease gun, mate.
Oh, fucking hell. Right. Oh, here we go. That was a bit anticlimactic.
A bit low key there.
Yeah, it was. This is riveting footage, by the way.
Oh, wow, it's on there still. Holy shit.
Come on. Here's Josh. This is the infamous dozer driver. Referred to as the dozer driver.
I hate that.
Yep.
Holy shit. Yeah, I just undid it to let all the grease pressure out. We just had it undone to let all the grease pressure out. And there's still just...
Is this your first try with the...
That's just the second grease nipple.
What would make you think that, Josh?
loosen that bit in the fitting, you know what I mean?
You can undo this bit.
Sorry,
off
am I
the fitting.
ruining your video?
No. It's already been ruined.
Sorry if I dragged those trees along
Victory!
Oh, well, sorry, Mandela. No one was paying attention.
No, no one cares about my victory.
Just-
Continue with your conversation.
You've been seen. You've been acknowledged.
See, that's
Josh
too
is
loose.
testing out his concept here. Mandela's out. He's like, why are people doubting me? No. Oh, Josh looks confident.
Legs though.
Oh,
That's why I don't do it.
he's
Just do it
dissing
up.
everything that
You
Josh
tell me
does. Your idea's fucked, apparently, Josh.
Yeah, I gave it back.
He really does. Like he's got a bout of narcissistic personality disorder. He will not be wrong. Have you not mentioned his singlet, by the way? You got to buy some more cars.
No, I bought one on Friday.
Ah!
I bought a Ford Ranger. It's pretty good.
There's just one word for you, Josh.
Yeah.
Stop.
Yeah, I know.
Just why?
That's what my wife
Two
says.
words. Stop. Why?
I think the problem is you need to start buying cars off me.
I,
Don't you want to try it?
350. Deal's done.
We can
It's ready
talk.
to go.
But it's not ready
Let
to
go of
It
it.
doesn't have rego yet.
Doesn't matter. I fix shit like that.
It's nearly ready for rego.
Well, how much?
no.
How
What's
much?
she offering?
I'll start at $1.
You haven't seen it yet.
That's why I started at
It
$1.
owes me like...
What it owes you is irrelevant.
Is it?
It is the market price.
Yeah.
So, Josh,
What?
price? You avoiding this?
$6 grand?
$6 grand. Okay. This is probably worth 3. You're just putting in an ambit claim because you know I want it.
I know you want the Falcon and the Triton.
No, you're incorrect.
Yeah, how much is that worth?
That you
Yeah.
want to buy that?
No.
You want to swap?
Swap for a Ford
Clean
Triton?
swap? No, for an F350. That's registered. It's got that.
Don't you leave me,